Hello treasures, let's make sardine fried egg in 5 minutes. So I have my sardine, tomatoes, eggs. Other ingredients will follow as we go on. Let's get started. I'll start by, I've already washed the ingredients that needs to be washed. That's the tomatoes. I'm using onions. I've washed it. I have pepper which I already washed. I took it out from the freezer. So I'm going to cut all of this, prepare them, and then we go on with frying the eggs and the sardine. So I'm done preparing all the ingredients. I have the eggs here, the pepper, the tomatoes, the onions, and the sardine. The only thing left out from here is um, oil, salt, and maybe seasoning cube. And any other ingredients we'll be adding, I'll also show you. So let's start the frying. I start by adding some oil into my dry pots. When it heats up, then add the onions. Stir fry for about a minute or two before going in with the tomatoes and peppers. I will also stir this for about 2 minutes before going in with the sardine. Next, I'll go in with 1 seasoning cube. I'm not adding salt to this yet because the sardine contains salt and I don't want much salt in this egg sauce or fried egg. And now it is time to add the eggs. I mixed the eggs with little salt and some spring onions. Then allow it to sit for about 2 minutes before stirring or scrambling. Our sardine fried egg is ready and very delicious. You can use this to eat your fried yam, boiled yam, fried potatoes or plantains, anything of choice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.